drones are here to stay. Until recently, drones have generally been associated with military surveillance. Now, however, they are becoming easier for the average person to obtain. We may soon see them replacing human labor in a variety of tasks. But are drones an important tool or a danger to private citizens? Drones in the military. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are remotely controlled flying robots. Some drones are as small as birds, while others are the size of airplanes. Drones can carry instruments such as cameras and Global Positioning Systems, GPS, and are used in situations where manned flight is considered too risky or difficult. For example, they are commonly used by the military for intelligence gathering, surveillance, and identifying targets. Other drone uses. Apart from benefiting the military and law enforcement agencies, drones can help people perform humanitarian tasks. For instance, they can be used in disaster relief efforts to deliver blankets, clothing, and medical supplies to hard-to-reach places. Furthermore, drones can be programmed to fly into the heart of storms without any risk to human life and gather important weather data. This information can help scientists predict natural disasters like hurricanes or tornadoes and hopefully save many lives in the process. Camera-equipped drones can also produce maps that are much more detailed and accurate than those produced from satellite imagery. This will be a big help to conservation experts in mapping land use changes such as deforestation, which is threatening an untold number of species. The U.S. government already uses drones to protect its lands and the species that inhabit them. In addition, farmers can use drones to drop fertilizers and pesticides on crops. This not only saves money, but keeps farm workers safer by limiting their exposure to dangerous chemicals. Drone technology can also be used by farmers to monitor fields and find lost cattle. According to the Association for Unmanned Vehicle Systems International, AUVSI, agriculture, far and away, is going to be the dominant market for UAV operations. Privacy and safety issues. Drones can be equipped with infrared sensors which use temperature variations to see things the naked eye cannot detect. While this is helpful for getting a bird's-eye view of a disaster or conflict zone, it could also be used by law enforcement agencies to spy on civilians. With thousands of remote-controlled drones set to take to the skies over the United States, many people are concerned about privacy. The American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, is worried that drones may be linked with cell phone tracking software in the future, which would enable law enforcement agencies to carry out surveillance on U.S. citizens and monitor people's movements. Safety is another major concern. Anyone, from terrorists to criminals, can get their hands on a drone. And even when controlled by skilled operators with good intentions, drones pose a hazard. Since 2001, there have been hundreds of military drone accidents worldwide. Even people in favor of drones feel that lack of safety is one of their biggest drawbacks. Think of drones accidentally landing in backyards, or worse, crashing into commercial planes. In April 2016, a British Airways aircraft was just about to land at Heathrow Airport when it collided with a drone. There have been several similar instances already. Drones and regulation. The ongoing debate over drones suggests that we are in the midst of a drone fever. The most important question going forward is how governments and agencies will regulate this technology to make sure it benefits, rather than harms, individuals and societies. As drones become more common, the importance of ensuring safe and responsible use will no doubt become greater.